Today I'm going to share the strategies that set high-earning freelancers apart from the crowd. I've helped hundreds of freelancers and agencies get started successfully and have spent over $750,000 myself on Upwork. So what I'm sharing isn't just theory, it's coming straight from what works in the real world for us and our agencies. These strategies are what separate average freelancers from those who thrive, dominate their niche, and consistently pull in high-value clients. By the end of this video, you'll know how to avoid Upwork's conflict resolution system, why your job success score is more important than you think, and how to unlock more leads by using your team. It's not just about making more money, it's about freeing up your time. You won't be trapped working endless hours to hit your goals. You'll be running a smarter business when you do things differently, the right way. You'll have more control, higher quality clients, and far less stress. So you get to focus on what really matters, growing your business while you're still enjoying your life. The first thing high-earning freelancers and agency owners do is like this video if you join the content. So the first secret is to avoid the conflict resolution system on Upwork at all cost. Here's why. Entering Upwork's conflict resolution system is like stepping into a time sink that could potentially hurt your reputation. Even if you're right, the time and energy spent in disputes can set you back far more than just letting the issue go or handling it directly with the client. Plus, clients who escalate to disputes are often the ones that cause the most headaches, and getting into arbitration can lead to unnecessary delays in getting paid, plus it costs money. The smarter play is to filter your clients up front. So how to avoid this? Filter your clients up front. If you're feeling red flags, and I have a video about this, just check in the description, during the negotiation process, unclear communication, unrealistic demands, or constant changes, that's a sign to walk away fast and early. It's better to avoid a bad client entirely than to risk a hit on your job success score or get tangled in an unnecessary conflict. Plus, you keep your time and energy focused on high-quality clients who value your work instead of wasting it on low-value disputes. Keep your reputation clean and your focus where it should be, growing your business, not fighting for scraps. Never take a risky project on Upwork under any circumstance. It's simply not worth it. Your job success score is one of the most critical factors in determining your visibility on Upwork. It's like your credit score on the platform. It heavily influences whether high-paying clients will even consider working with you. A lower score will drop you down in search rankings, meaning fewer invites, less trust, and more competition for lower quality jobs. So here's why it matters. A strong job success score not only makes you more visible, but it also signals to clients that you consistently deliver great work. This gives you leverage to charge higher rates, land bigger projects, and choose who you want to work with. So yes, you should protect your job success score because your business depends on it. Avoid clients who seem unreasonable, communicate openly to avoid misunderstandings. What you're doing with a high job success score is building momentum for the next project. And a solid job success score will keep the best clients coming your way, as Upwork will also give you invites to those projects, or rather the clients will give you invites because you're ranking high in their search. But anyway, another secret is Upwork's badges. Some people ignore the badges or they don't even know what they are, but the top rated badges and top rated plus badges aren't there just for show. There's strong evidence that the platform pushes top rated profiles higher in search results and recommendation lists. This means more visibility, more invites, and better quality clients coming your way without you having to chase them down. So when you get a badge, Upwork's algorithm sees you as a trusted freelancer who delivers. So it rewards you by showing your profile more often to clients, especially high-paying jobs. This increases your chances of landing big projects without being buried under a pile of other freelancers. So you're not just getting more eyes on your profile, but better clients and bigger projects, which means less time hustling for leads and more time focusing on delivering high value work. A well-known trick for Upwork agencies is to have multiple team members with their accounts applying to the same jobs and jobs in general. It's not only allowed, but it increases your odds of winning big projects. So let's say you have a team member in the US as well, and in the UK, those can apply to local only jobs because they're based there. Each account gets its own visibility in the job search. So instead of relying on one freelancer profile to attract clients, you've got multiple chances for your team to get noticed. So it seems Upwork is limiting how many proposals a single account can send before diminishing returns. But when multiple profiles from your agency are applying, you bypass that limitation potentially. It's essentially like boosting your presence in Upwork's ecosystem, making your team more visible to clients who are looking for serious problems to be solved. And obviously your team is going to be delivering the work. It's not not about you sitting there and selling your time. A common practice among successful agencies is to have team members handle project delivery while the agency owner manages client relations and business growth. This approach is not just efficient, but also essential for scaling your operations, unless you just want to freelance and make, like 5K per month. Basically, you can take on more clients, double, triple your profit, maybe quadruple, maybe even more, and it turns you from a solo freelancer into a business owner who can scale up effectively. There's basically almost no other way to scale unless you triple, quadruple, etc. your fees as a freelancer, so you have to be like this ultra high value freelancer. I don't recommend that route. I recommend building a team or white labeling. So with dedicated team members handling delivery, you can ensure that each project benefits from specialized expertise and attention to detail, leading to better client satisfaction and repeat business, if they're the right people to do the job, of course. This method not only maximizes productivity, but also helps you maintain a high standard of work while expanding how many clients you can have at the same time. Now let's go to the next video on how to make Upwork lead generation work better for you. The link is in the description, so see you in the next video.